in Sunshine Beach Resort. Majan, Milay, my new friend, Kyang Kyang. Char.
And
Yo! Come here, let's tour! There! Oh, please! That's Kyang Kyang, my best friend. Ha ha! Mom! You go, you go, you go, you go. Go, hoy! Dali, Lai! Wow, here comes the nice view and Belay. Hi! Here come. That's the restaurant. Oh, see? That's the swimming pool. Let's go to the swimming pool. Yeah, there you are. It's the swimming pool with the jacuzzi out there. It's the jacuzzi. The swimming pool, Janice. Is that it? Over there. Kami, di kami nangatulog. Wa may cottage. There. Over here. And there. And there. Oh. Yay. That's the place. Pagkala.
mga laagan.
Single pa may katiduan gid ang kalaag.
Laagan.
Oh, kung mag-volunteer ko din naman sad ko mangkakuan bi. Mau, okay ra ka mau. Ni uli si Ben mau, kaluoy. Ni bayad na siya 300. Nag-taxi pa. Maldita. Kaluoy, oy. Tanay mo, ulit na tayo. Late na me.
Bye.
Bye, sunshine.